Okay, it's been overnight. It's the afternoon of the next day after we did this valve cover. And so far, things look dry and good. Yeah, that's what I like to see. And it does not appear that there's any oil on the ground under the car. I'm gonna cold start this car and move it out of the way. Let's see how the choke does now, huh? Now that it's completely cold. Ooh, it started right up. All right. Heck of a high idle. It's warming up. Very nice. The loser mobile. Doesn't this thing look like a K car from like?
It does.
Yeah, it's like a rear-wheel drive K car, but with the front end of a Ford LTD. I believe this was one of the first cars to re-wear the blue oval after like an absence of 40 years or something. I think actually the Model A might have been somewhere around there.
Really?
Yeah, might have been just after the Model A, but early 30s, mid 30s, they got rid of the blue oval on the outside of the car. And this was the only Ford for 1982 to have the blue oval on the outside of it someplace. It should have it. They always had it on the insides, like, you know, corporate logos on the door. Oh yeah, there it is on the door sill and everything. That was always there. They did that forever. Well, should we see if we've got fuel leaks?
Yeah.
Boy, it runs nice and quiet. If you get that exhaust leak fixed, this thing won't be embarrassing sounding, at least. Looks good. All right, well, we'll keep an eye on that, but it looks good. Well, should we take this thing for a ride? Hey, you want to take this? Sounds like that Ford. Maybe you really gotta let this thing warm Okay, let us scrutinize the ground where the Granada was parked. So, obviously we drove through a lot of water last night. You can see that's where the front tires had been. This is just water here. And it's a piece of dirt. Wow. Dave, this car has no leaks.
Amazing.
You know, right now.
Unlike everything else.
Unlike everything else. Yeah.
I think this is the king of leaks right now.
This?
Yes.
Yeah. What, you're leaking coolant out of it?
Coolant and transmission.
Oh.
But I guess.
Hey, that's good. Yeah, I know my Grand Safari, as soon as I brought it here, started leaking like a sieve. I don't know why. Well, that wraps it up for this particular job. On to the next job, which will be the exhaust leaks. Stay tuned.